Welcome to Feeling Animals. Today, we reveal the complete life of the eagle.
Eagles appeared on Earth around 6 million years ago. An eagle's lifespan averages 20 to 30 years in the wild.
They prefer mountains, cliffs, forests, and wide open plains. Eagles hunt fish, rabbits, snakes, and birds.
They drink fresh water daily near rivers and lakes.
Wingspan reaches 2 to 2.5 meters.
Weight ranges from 3 to 7 kilograms.
Eagles hunt alone and avoid close companionship.
They lay 1 to 3 eggs in high nests.
Parents fiercely protect their young.
Young eagles learn to fly within weeks.
Vision spots prey from kilometers away. Talons exerce immense killing force.
The eagle remains the ruler of the skies.
Eagles rely on thermal air currents to glide without wasting energy.
An eagle's eyesight is up to 8 times sharper than a human's.
From the sky, prey has almost no chance to escape. Powerful talons deliver a precise, fatal grip.
Eagles can carry prey nearly their own weight.
They eat daily, depending on successful hunts. Clean beaks prevent infection and disease. Feathers are waterproof, protecting the body in harsh weather.
Eagle nests are reused and expanded for many years.
Some nests weigh over 1 ton.
Eagles form long-term bonds with one partner.
Partners share hunting and protection duties.
Chicks are fed several times a day.
Strong wings are essential for survival.
Only the strongest reach adulthood.
An eagle reaches full maturity at around 5 years of age. By adulthood, its wings are fully developed for long-distance flight.
An adult eagle can fly for hours without flapping its wings.
Thermal air currents allow eagles to conserve precious energy.
Eagle vision can detect movement from over 3 kilometers away.
When prey is spotted, the attack begins instantly.
Eagles can dive at speeds exceeding 160 kilometers per hour.
Powerful talons strike with deadly precision.
Some eagles can lift prey nearly equal to their own weight.
An adult eagle eats up to half a kilogram of food per day.
Fresh water is consumed regularly, especially after feeding.
Rest allows muscles to recover after intense hunting flights.
Eagles usually remain loyal to a single partner for life. Together, they defend territory that can span many kilometers. One eagle territory can span dozens of square kilometers. As eagles age, hunting becomes more challenging.
Older eagles conserve energy through longer rest. Experience replaces speed with strategy. Eagles hunt most actively at dawn and dusk. Once chicks leave, parental care gradually ends. Young eagles must survive independently.
Protected habitats increase survival chances.
Eagles symbolize power and freedom across cultures. Few animals command such respect.
Patience and precision define the eagle. A long life leaves marks on feathers and claws.
Survival is earned through experience. Time moves differently in the sky. But its legacy remains.
New generations continue the cycle.
Survival lessons are passed silently. The sky remains their kingdom. Balance in nature depends on predators. Strength is not always loud. Control defines true power.
The eagle watches over its world.
A life shaped by wind and sky. The eagle remains the undisputed ruler of the skies.
If this journey moved you, like the video, subscribe to Feeling Animals, and stay with us for more true stories of the wild.